Welcome to this tutorial on creating a new dashboard in SAP IBP. A dashboard shows the charts you're most interested in. You can flexibly add charts, customize the layout of your dashboard, and share it with other users or user groups. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create dashboards step by step. Section 1. Accessing the dashboard app and initiating the process. Step 1. Click the New button. The new dashboard pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter a name for the dashboard, for example, IMDb. Step 3. Enter a description for the dashboard, for example, Dashboard for IBP in minutes. Step 4. Confirm all fields, and then click the Save button. Section 2. Selecting Planning Area. Step 1. Click Planning Area button. The Planning Area pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter the planning area name you want to use in the search field. For example, the planning area name could be IM. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the IM planning area and click it. Section 3. Selecting version and scenario. Step 1. Click version/scenario button. The version/scenario pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter the version name you want to use in the search field. For example, the version name could be base version. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the base version and click it. Step 5. Click the Select button. Section 4. Adding charts. Step 1. Click Add button. And then click Analytics Charts button. The Add pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter the chart's name you want to use in the search field. For example, the chart's name could be Actuals Quantity by ABC Code, XYZ Code, and Product ID. Last 12 months. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the search chart name and click it. And then press space key. You can add as many charts as needed. Step 5. After adding the charts, click the Add Chart button. Section 5. Resizing charts. Step 1. Click Go button. Step 2. Locate the chart name and click Additional Options icon. Step 3. Click the Resize button. Step 4. Click the column number, for example 4. Click the row number, for example 2. Step 5. Click the Resize button. In summary, creating a new dashboard in SAP IBP involves accessing the dashboard app, applying filters, adding charts, and resizing the charts. Additionally, you can also configure additional settings such as sharing your dashboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.